Hi girls! We're back with a little H&M haul, but first of all we thought we'd do an unboxing with you to go through prices and tell you what we got.
Let's open it up!
Let's open it up!
H&M is doing amazing at the moment.
It actually is, isn't it? There's so many goodies on there, we actually couldn't narrow down what we actually wanted.
In all of these items, Soph's wearing an extra small and I'm wearing an extra large. I'm 5'3", you're 5'4".
I'm 5'4", but you say I'm not 5'4", but I am genuine. I'm actually 5'3" and 3/4 to be precise. First up we've got the button front cream mini dress. This one is £21.99, which I actually think is really good price. It's really good price. Is a really good price.
It's like linen, but a bit softer. It is lined, but it could be a little bit see-through if you're wearing like black underwear or black bikini or swimwear. There's not much stretch, so I'd definitely size up if you're in between sizes.
I think this is really cute, like a wardrobe staple throughout summer. I'm always looking for like a little dress to put on that will look like really cute from day to night, like pub garden to a bar. For £21.99, I wouldn't even care if I spilled a red wine on it. No, I actually really would. I really would care actually.
Right, next one. What should we go for next? It is a crochet dress. We love a bit of crochet.
Love crochet.
Pop it on over your swimwear. It's just, and actually this is really luxurious material. Like it's not thick, it's not too thin.
Actually, I feel like most crochet you normally wear like a bikini underneath, but I don't think you would have to. I don't think it's that see-through.
That was £34.99.
I love like the detailing on it. That is so cute. I think it's called like pointel or something, whatever that is.
Yeah, what is that? If anyone knows what that is, can you let us know?
Yeah, in the comments below, please. Right,
next one. And this top is so cute. Frill trimmed blouse, I think it was called.
Yeah, £14.99. It's quite lightweight again, so throughout summer, perfect. A little bit see-through maybe, so make sure you're not wearing black underwear.
And then we got some trousers.
I love the colour of these.
£14.99. I just think H&M, obviously we're not going to wear them this creased.
No.
But elasticated waist.
How weird, not ironing it for us before they sent it to us.
Right, pop back to see what it looks like on.
Woohoo!
Yeah.